Hey guys, just wanted to give a bit of a longer demo for this project I've been working on. I used only HTML and CSS to really get the hang of the fundamentals of layout design, Flexbox, and grid. I made all the components from scratch, and I will post the link in the description so you can check it out. Let me know what you think. I could have made this a lot shorter, but I wanted to show how the clouds interacted with the pages. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy, and find me on my other socials below. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I spent a lot of time working on the responsiveness of the page so it looks good on mobile and desktop. And a lot of these colors are kind of part of my identity, my personal brand. I kind of just have used these colors throughout a lot of my projects. I guess it's kind of my signature, you can say. Selector, flex direction column.
Hello guys, this is a quick C#.NET Maui demo for